All right, another HSM Academy question. This one comes from A. She says, "Hi Heather, I juggle multiple roles as a full-time educator, part-time student, wife, pet mom to 5. As a commuter, I spend about 2 hours on the road each day during the work week. I only have around 3 hours available to study, cook, eat, do housework, take care of my pets, connect with my husband, and get enough sleep to function. It has been a struggle to balance all of these responsibilities, and I feel like I have been free-falling for the past few months. I'm learning to prioritize, but I haven't found a successful system for managing my time yet. In the past few years, my focus on my career and education has caused my health habits to take a back seat. However, I have reached a point where I need to prioritize my weight and my health. I want to know what kind of system and habits you would recommend for someone like me who has limited time and energy at the end of the day, but wanted to eat better and exercise more." So first I want to just encourage you, drop the exercise for right now, because if your goal is weight management and you want to get your weight in check, the food is going to be your most important focus. And since you are so strapped for time and just getting sleep in is proving to be difficult, I wouldn't want to add one more thing to your plate. If you need some reassurance on your 2-hour commute, listen to the book Burn by Dr. Henry Poncer. It's an excellent book. It'll help relieve a lot of your stress about the exercise. If you could actually just walk a little further each day, get up from your desk, go do some laps at the office, those kinds of things will be more beneficial than you structuring workout time into your day. If you had time, I would tell you to take the time management course in the HSM Academy. I think that will actually help you quite a bit, because I think once you see all your 24-hour slots as available time periods, and you could start maybe thinking about how could I utilize these times more effectively, you probably would get more bang for your time buck by going through that course. Again, I know you're strapped for time, so that's why I said that, when you do have a little bit more, maybe going on your trip in your commute back and forth, you could listen to those lessons. As far as you making it more of a priority, it's got to be on your calendar. So wherever right now you're putting the information that you check on a regular basis, meetings for work, appointments for kids, or if you have something due for school, probably you have either a calendar hanging on the wall of your kitchen, or you have a Google Calendar, Outlook calendar. Whatever is important to you has to be on that calendar. So your meal time should be on there, your food time, your meal planning should be on there, your prep should be on there, your grocery shopping should be on there. Do not add exercise right now. Hear me say that. Do not add exercise. Your sleep should be blocked out. All of your time for you to make your health a priority. If you need 5 minutes in the morning to do the HSM weight management plan and fill out your paper pencil journal, that should be on there. If you need to check in with it at the end of the day before you go to bed, that should be on there. Everything that's of importance to you should be on that calendar. Because if you're getting digital reminders about it and it's showing up in your face every day when you check on work or school or the kids, it's going to be a way for you to center yourself on what's really important. The two biggest resources you have, time and money. Money can be replaced, time cannot. Meaning that when this 24 hours is gone, it's gone. You can't get it back. You can't get more time. You can't have less than me. We all get 24 hours in a given day unless one of us passes away, right? So what that means is how you use your 24 hours is the most important thing. So I'm going to encourage you, really focus on time management. I'm going to focus on you blocking out time you need for yourself to do your healthy habits. Let exercise be on the back burner when your life calms down a little bit. School falls away, which eventually it will. Kids get a little bit more independent. Your work cuts back a little. Then start thinking about bringing in more traditional exercise. All right, you have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.